Tens of thousands of people died in a pair of cataclysmic earthquakes. It was only a matter of time before the region surrounding Turkey and Syria experienced the big one, according to experts. Show these CCTV footage how devastating this earthquakes. Tens of thousands of people died in a pair of cataclysmic earthquakes that rocked the region on February 6. First, a 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck Gaziantep, in southeastern Turkey along the border of Syria, followed by a 7.5 magnitude quake 9 hours later about 100 miles north of the first, with hundreds of aftershocks in between and beyond. The quakes took down thousands of buildings in the two countries, killing at least 42,000 people. While individual earthquake activity is difficult to predict, it was never out of the realm of possibility that a large earthquake would be on the horizon in the region. The complex tectonic activity that lies beneath essentially ensured that a devastatingly strong earthquake would eventually rock the region, the scientists said. There are 4 tectonic plates, massive slabs of rock made of Earth's lithosphere, that interact in Turkey. The Arabian and African plates are moving to the north and interacting with the Eurasian plate, which is essentially in place as a boundary to the north, Joshua Russell, a professor of seismology said. However, it was the East Anatolian fault zone responsible for the most recent deadly quake, which extends down through Syria. The energy released from the rock-to-rock slippage of the plates onto the East Anatolian fault, which is less active than the North Anatolian fault, is more catastrophic than earthquakes that are releasing the stress on a more consistent basis.